If you got a warning sign on your car that says your windshield washer fluid is low, or you have a little icon like this lit up, don't worry at all. It is super easy to fix in less than 5 minutes. I'll show you how to do the whole thing, including opening the hood of your car, where to put the fluid so that you don't mess up, and also I'll put an Amazon link below so that you can order this exact fluid that I use in all of my cars. I have 4 cars right now. So first, what you want to do is pop the hood open. To open your hood, you're going to look under the steering wheel to the left. It will either be on this wall here, or in some cars, it's actually on the top. So here we have this red strap. We pull that, and now the hood will pop open. Once the hood pops open, there is usually a release, so it'll feel locked. Put your fingers in and look for a latch. You might have to feel around for it. Sometimes you'll pull up on the latch like this. Sometimes you'll push down and the latch is in here. You can Google it for your specific car if you can't figure it out, but just push your fingers around for about 20 seconds and then push the hood and it will lift up. If you have a BMW, you pull the handle in the car twice and it will automatically open. If you have an older car, it might not hold by itself. There's usually a stick right here, so I'll put a little video clip of that. And once you have the hood open, this is the easiest part. Look for the windshield washer fluid area, which is where you have that same windshield washer icon. It's typically a cap that you just pull or unscrew. So in my car, you just pull it. And then we take our windshield washer fluid, hold the tab right here with your thumb, and then twist it to the left. You'll see that it just opens up. You want to poke a hole through this, so I recommend using a car key, or if you push hard enough with your fingernail, you can just push right through. It's not going to be toxic for your hands or anything. It's basically just water and soap. Just open this up and pour in the fluid. You don't need a funnel or anything. If you spill, it's not a big deal. Okay, so you can see that I've poured the whole thing in. Just going to close the cap. Don't worry about what you spilled around it. It's just going to dry up through evaporation. So you're good there. Push down. Make sure that your hood latch is closed. You can just push in the middle with your hand. And that's it. It literally just takes a couple of minutes. Your car will probably take this whole thing. If it doesn't, you still have some left over. If you have a friend or a neighbor who has a car, you could just top them off. I don't really love keeping like this much in because it's not enough for a full refill, but that's the entire thing. Super duper easy. Hope this helped.